Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the current affairs show, the daily one-liners of 13th July. So let's begin the today's session. Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India's first LNG facility plant in Nagpur, Maharashtra. The plant has been set up by whom? The answer is Baidyanath Ayurvedic Group. Piyush Goyal co-chaired 21st session of India-Italy Joint Commission for Economic Cooperation. Who has set up a Bangabandhu chair at Delhi University to honor Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of Bangladesh, and to commemorate the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh Liberation War and Indo-Bangladesh diplomatic relation? The answer is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Third G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting was held in, the answer is Venice, Italy. Nepal signed USD 1.3 billion deal with India's SJVNL to develop 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydroelectric project. The project lies in which place? The answer is Sankhuvasva and Bhojpur districts of Nepal. IMF board approved how much amount for special drawing rights allocation against COVID-19? The answer is USD 650 billion. RBI approved Equitas Small Finance Bank to apply for amalgamation of promoter into itself. MD and CEO of and headquarters of Equitas Small Finance Bank. So MD and CEO is Vasudevan Pathangi Narasimhan and headquarter is in Chennai. Exim Bank gave how much loan to Kalpatru Power Transmission for Senegal project? The answer is $35.26 million. Who has won the Ethiopian parliamentary election? The answer is PM Abiy Ahmed's party. Capital and currency of Ethiopia. Capital is Addis Ababa and currency of Ethiopia is Ethiopian birr. ISRO launched Geo-Imaging Satellite 1 from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Name of a space mission launched by Virgin Galactic. The answer is Unity 22. After Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, Shirish Bandla became the third Indian origin woman to be on space. Who are the founders of Virgin Galactic and where is it headquartered? So the founders of Virgin Galactic are Richard Branson and Burt Rutan, and it is headquartered in Mojave, California, USA. 134th edition of Wimbledon 2021 took place in, the answer is London, UK. Winner of the Wimbledon were as follows. Men's singles was won by Novak Djokovic. Women's singles was won by Ashley Barty. Men's double was won by Nicola Mektic and Mate Pavic. And women double was won by Elise Mertens and Hesse Sube. Mixed doubles was won by Neil Scoopsy and Desire. Italy won UEFA Euro 2020 by defeating England. Awards in different categories are as follows. Golden Boot Award was won by Cristiano Ronaldo, who is from Portugal. Golden Ball Award was won by Gianluigi Donnarumma, and he is from Italy. Young player of the tournament was won by Pedro Gonzalez Lopez, and he is from Spain. Headquartered and president of UEFA is in, so headquarter is in Nyon, Switzerland, and president is Alexander Seferin. Vishwanathan Anand finishes second in Grand Chess Tour held in, the answer is Zagreb, Croatia. Argentina wins Copa America 21 football tournament against Brazil in the finals. So the notable awards are as follows. Golden Boot was won by Lionel Messi. Golden Ball was won by Lionel Messi. Golden Glove was won by Emiliano Martinez. Best Player Award goes to Lionel Messi. Best Player of the Final goes to Angel Di Maria. Headquarter and President of FIFA. So headquarter is in Zurich, Switzerland, and President of FIFA is Gianni Infantino. Indian bowler Pankaj Singh retires from all forms of cricket. He has been a part of, the answer is Rajasthan Cricket Association. Padma Awardee Dr. P.K. Warrier Ayurveda Doyen passed away. M. Venkaiah Naidu released a book named Paleku Pattabhishekam, authored by, the answer is Yalamachili Shivaji. Sanjay Baru and Rahul Sharma edited a new book, A New Cold War, Henry Kissinger and Rise of China. M. Venkaiah Naidu received the first copy of Terrace Garden, Middle Thota by, the answer is Thumeti Raghuttama Reddy. M. Venkaiah Naidu released a book titled Kotha Corona Kathalu 4. National Fish Farmers Day is observed on, the answer is 10th July. Chief Executive of National Fisheries Development Board, and where is it headquartered? So the Chief Executive of National Fisheries Development Board is Dr. Suvarna Chandra Pagari, and it is headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana. World Population Day is observed on, the answer is 11th July. Malala Day is observed on which date? The answer is 12th July. LG Manoj Sinha launched My Srinagar mobile app to cater the needs of tourists and residents. So by this we come to the end of the today's session. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos, and please do keep showering your love and support to this channel. Thank you so much.